Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. And this is an important update from TCS Off Campus Infrastructure Readiness Check. So those who haven't appeared any written test before this, so this is a video which is extremely helpful from them because many students are having doubt that what is infrastructure readiness check and what we have to do today to ensure that we do nothing wrong in this, and what is this related to the actual exam. So for those candidates who have chosen home for their online mode and not in center mode, so for them this is an important step at TCS Off Campus Infrastructure Readiness Check. So they have sending this mail from today night at 10 p.m. Tomorrow night 10 p.m. Sorry, yesterday night 10 p.m. That dear candidate, that thank you for applying to TCS Off Campus, and you had chosen to write the exam in a remote assessment mode at home. So as I have been telling that those who have chosen for remote assessment mode, so for them only this video is helpful. Otherwise, if you have chosen the in center, then you have to not do this infrastructure readiness check. Okay, so your participation in infrastructure readiness check IRC is a mandatory step. So please note that it is a mandatory because without this check you will not receive your actual exam link. Okay, so this is a very important step. Otherwise, you will not be able to give the exam. So to check your system readiness for you to be allowed to take the exam remotely from home. So what is this infrastructure readiness check? If this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. So it is important that you take the IRC to ensure that your computer or laptop is suitable to take the test. To check that your operating system or your browser is working or not, it is version is suitable with TCS team. So it is advisable to download Chrome and use Windows operating system to access this TCS exam. Otherwise, if you're using any other operating system and any other browser, then you have to check through the link given in the IRC, and they will give a IRC link, username and password to log in, and you have to log in and check that it is okay or not. Please don't take the IRC check from mobile phone. Android will be not supported. You will be not allowed to take this test from mobile. If you are accessing this from mobile, then it will not work, and it will directly tell you that it is not supported in mobile, or even you cannot check in desktop mode also. In mobile, you if you use the desktop site, then also it will not work, and you will be not given the exam link. Then the IRC can be taken between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 12th of November. So you be ready in this time slot. From 9 a.m. To 10 a.m. there is a huge rush because everyone is trying to log in. So it is better to give on the 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So that is the ideal time where you can take this IRC test very uh, in a satisfactory way. In this participation in this IRC test is mandatory to verify your computer or a laptop readiness to take the online exam successfully from home. And there is some system specific requirements you have to check. You have to have a working webcam, your launcher for the operating system that you can download during IRC, and a recommended browser Google Chrome and browser Zoom set to 100%. As I previously said, the Google Chrome is the only browser which will support this TCS IRC, and you have to have a minimum bandwidth of 5 Mbps and at least 100 MB of free disk space to download a 45 MB file which is required to launch the assessment. And they will also give a link which you can copy in your browser and start the assessment with the login credentials, and note down the unique key generated, and they have a unique key you have to write down in a page or you can copy in a notepad. It is better to write down in a page because when the uh, system will run, you will be not be able to open any other software or any other thing. Okay, even your browser will be not opening then if the launcher is running. So it is better to write in a blank sheet or blank page, and the timer will be displayed on your screen. You can copy this token, and then you will be able to enter to the test. And the download launcher will be applicable to your OS and the downloaded file, and you have to open the launcher and input the unique key generated and select the correct browser, for example Google Chrome, which you are using, and click the launch to start the assessment. And you have to click run anyway if prompted. This will force close all other programs that are running. So this is the more or less for IRC check. If you are having any problems, so immediately write in the comment section. I will help you out. And if you have any other things to ask, you can also ask in the comment section regarding this is NQT. If you have any doubt, you can join the Telegram group given in the description, and you can directly ask me questions. I will help to resolve every query. And thank you for watching. And do give the IRC test because it is mandatory. And if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and like this video.